Did you know that reading just one book can change the way you think forever? Stay with us as Emma and Daniel share an inspiring English conversation that will improve your English while reminding you why books are life's greatest teachers.
My hobby, reading books. Hi, Daniel. What is your favorite hobby that you enjoy during your free time?
Hello, Emma. My favorite hobby is reading books because it helps me learn new things and relax after a busy day.
That sounds wonderful because reading books is a hobby that many successful people enjoy every day.
Yes, every book teaches me something valuable, even if it is a simple story or an exciting adventure.
When did you start enjoying reading books so much?
I started reading regularly when I was a child because my parents always bought interesting storybooks for me.
That was a great habit to learn at a young age because good habits often stay with us for life.
I completely agree because reading has become a natural part of my daily routine.
What kinds of books do you enjoy reading the most?
I enjoy reading novels, biographies, science books, and inspirational stories because they all teach different lessons.
I like biographies too because they show how successful people overcame many difficulties.
Exactly. Those stories inspire me to work harder and never give up on my dreams.
Do you usually read printed books or electronic books?
I enjoy both, but I prefer printed books because I love turning the pages and holding the book in my hands.
I understand because printed books give a special feeling that electronic screens cannot replace.
Yes, and reading printed books also helps me stay away from my phone for a while.
How much time do you spend reading every day?
I usually read for about 1 hour every evening before I go to bed.
That is a healthy habit because reading before sleeping can help the mind relax.
It certainly does, because I always feel calmer after finishing a good chapter.
Have books ever changed the way you think about life?
Yes, many books have taught me to be patient, kind, and open-minded toward other people.
That is one of the greatest benefits of reading because it helps us understand different perspectives.
I agree, because books allow us to experience places and cultures without leaving home.
Have you ever recommended a book to your friends?
Yes, I often recommend books that inspire confidence, courage, and positive thinking.
Do your friends enjoy your recommendations?
Most of them do, and they often thank me after finishing the books.
That must make you feel very happy.
It really does, because sharing knowledge is just as enjoyable as gaining it.
Where do you usually get your books?
I borrow books from the library, buy them at bookstores, and sometimes receive them as gifts.
Libraries are wonderful places because they make learning available to everyone.
Yes, they are quiet, peaceful, and filled with endless opportunities to discover new ideas.
Have you ever read a book more than once?
Yes, I have reread several books because I always notice new lessons each time.
That proves a good book never becomes boring.
Exactly. Every reading experience feels fresh because my understanding grows over time.
Do you think children should develop the habit of reading early?
Absolutely. Because reading improves vocabulary, imagination, creativity, and critical thinking.
I believe it also helps children become more confident in school.
That is true. Because strong reading skills make learning every subject much easier.
Some people say they do not have enough time to read.
I think even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference over time.
That is a simple goal that almost everyone can achieve.
Yes, small daily habits often create great results in the future.
What is the most memorable book you have ever read?
It was a motivational book that taught me to believe in myself, even during difficult times.
That lesson is valuable because confidence helps people overcome many challenges.
I completely agree, because believing in ourselves is the first step toward success.
Do you plan to continue reading throughout your life?
Of course, because there is always something new to learn from books.
I think your hobby is both enjoyable and meaningful.
Thank you, Emma. Reading has truly made my life richer and more interesting.
After our conversation, I feel inspired to read more books every week.
That is wonderful, because every book is like a new friend with valuable lessons to share.
I hope more people discover the joy of reading instead of spending all their time on social media.
I hope so too, because books can inspire dreams, build character, and improve our future.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts about your favorite hobby today.
You are welcome, Emma. The more we read, the more we grow, because knowledge is the greatest treasure that no one can ever take away.